If you ever need to take out a serger stitch, let me show you the easiest way to do it. It's actually not that hard. It just looks like there's a lot of stitches and a lot of threads. But if you take your seam ripper and go underneath both the needle threads, so for a standard 4-thread overlock, just go ahead and cut the needle threads every 3 or 4 stitches worth. And don't worry about catching some of the loops. Once these needle threads are detached, those loopers are going to just come unraveled in simple, easy pull. So here we go. That will give you an idea. When you open it up, it will just fall apart. And then all you have to do is take the stitches and pull. And voila, it's easily removed. So don't let the 4 threads fool you. It actually is just as easy to take out as a sewing machine stitch.